Welcome to the Unity 3D user interface or UI. If yours doesn't look like this, it might have a bit of a different layout. I'm going to go back to layouts and say if I put the default layout, yours probably looks like this the first time you open it. I like a layout called 2x3, so I'm going to go up to Window, Layouts, 2x3, and this is the layout I'm going to work with. Let's have a little look at what all of these things are. So first of all, in the top left here, we have our scene view. Now our scene view, we can see all the assets and things we put in into that particular scene, which you'll learn more about. You can right click to kind of rotate the camera on a swivel, middle click and drag to pan the mouse around or scroll to zoom. Down here we have the game view. That's everything you see in the game, so what the game will actually look like, or the UI or whatever you're building. This is where it will actually come up. Over here we have the hierarchy view. The hierarchy view, as you can see, I opened up the little untitled thing here in the scene, and that reveals our main camera and a light that we have in the scene already. So everything we put in the game scene goes under the hierarchy here. We have our project window or over here, and it has all of the different stuff that we can put into our into Unity essentially. So this is where we import all of our what we call assets. So any files we have that we're actually going to be using in our actual game. So this is where all of that stuff will appear and show up. And over here we have our inspector on the right. So what that does is it lets us view things or information about different things in our scene. So if I click on the main camera, for example, see it brings up a whole bunch of different options. This is where we drop our code, our scripts. We can also change a whole bunch of settings. So that's a basic tour of Unity 3D. We do have a bunch of other stuff here, but we're going to learn about the things we need to learn about as we go along. That's the basic layout for Unity.